One of my favorite traders, her name is Leah, came up with a phenomenal suggestion. So we were on a yacht in Miami. This sounds really bougie, but we were.
It is.
And Leah said, Jeremy, we should have a super advanced trading retreat. So far, all of our retreats that we've had in Nashville, Charlotte, Lake Tahoe, Miami, they've all been geared towards traders who are starting, who don't really know exactly what to do. Beginners.
Yep.
Well, we're gonna host one in Atlanta. All the information's below. This one, my friends, is advanced.
Advanced.
My goal is to teach him stuff that even he doesn't know. And I'm gonna learn brand new things from each and every one of you. We're gonna really do deep dives into options, futures, and different strategies. Now, it doesn't have to be as long because we don't need as much prep time to help everyone understand how to build brokers and trading systems and indicators and charting softwares. So we're gonna dive in deep and quick. It's gonna be incredible.
It's gonna be 3 days. It's gonna be in Atlanta, Georgia. Come join us.
All the links are below. We'll see you there.